YouTube. This is Ed Plays XD. This is one of my part of the room. This is my whole Lego collection. So, look at that cool looking floor here. So I've just woken up of my room and I saw this. It's pouring. Let me open this. So that big it is. Let me put the camera so you guys can see. Or should you guys look at the other side? Wait, focus. Please focus. Look, see, there's like a hurricane of wind. Trying to make this to go here. Look at it. There's so much. It's also scaring me. I'm gonna let you guys a few moments to see the beautiful rain. It's pouring so much. You guys can't actually see it though. I think you can a little. But when I'm looking at it, it's pouring a lot. It is pouring a lot. There's even a little stream. Wait, focus. See, there's look at it. Okay, my tablet's actually getting wet, so ow! Oh my god. Keep looking at it. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. Just all you viewers can know, I'm actually cold right now. I know it's the summer, but I'm cold right now for some reason. I'm not wearing shorts or anything. Look, I'm wearing joggers right now. Some cool looking joggers. Also, I'm also wearing a creeper shirt. A creeper shirt, that's what I meant. Look at it, dude. Let me go to the other rooms. Just for a little moment. Can't actually see on that one, so I can't actually show my face. Oh god, I almost did. Yeah, I am pretty skinny though. I don't need a lot. Oh, wait. It is now 12:37 right now. Look at it. It's all covered stuff. I was just doing my studying my math facts before this happened. Eating some of my snack mix that I made. Also this. Focus. Look at it. There's a little stream right there. ¿Sí? ¿Dónde? Oh. There's a little stream like right there. Let me zoom in a little. Look at it. Even over there. That thing's going like crazy. Yeah. Okay, so right here made like a show them. Why am I zoomed in? So if you can actually put it by the window. Yeah, so there's like I made a little box of this. So Minecraft equals 1S. Here we go. I don't think you can actually see it. Nah. So there is downstairs like a spinny thing outside, and he's like, I'm going loco right now. I'm going loco right now. Yeah. Why am I talking like Albert stuff? Just so you guys can know, subscribe to Black Lava Plays. He's a really good YouTuber though. When I focus, the black thing isn't there. Look. First is there. Focus it. No, it isn't. Yeah. Paper painting, NBA, drawings. My favorite team is Germany. And I made my own thing. So hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.